A shocking scene unfolds at an airport restaurant. An unruly woman attacks an elderly lady, spits on a bystander, and wreaks havoc before officers finally take her down. Stay tuned as we break down this wild arrest captured on police body cam. On September 21st, 2023, officers at the airport received a disturbing call. A violent altercation had erupted inside a restaurant. Witnesses reported that a woman had not only vandalized multiple businesses, but had also struck an elderly woman in the face with her phone, causing a cut on her cheek.
So
went back down into Terminal
the
C.
individual hit two people?
Hit one person, spit in another woman's face.
Hit one, spit in the other. Okay.
And they've been
Okay. Okay.
So there's the elderly woman right there.
Hey, what's going on? Hey.
She has like all crazy
The lady who was assaulted.
and both of them were. She spit on her and then knocked her with a cell phone.
Okay, what? You can show it.
19, 18, 97.
Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn this up. She's screaming and yelling at her right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but you were in the way. Look at that. So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her, and then she comes.
Control.
No, she punched her with her hand.
Raising her hand.
No, yeah. If you slow it down.
Glasses.
She went that way,
Charlie? Okay.
and then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down D, but
Okay. Is that video something you're able to possibly send to us?
Of course. This is her. And then this is where she's got glasses on. And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the pink. And you can't tell right here. This is because she was kind of in the way, but this is where she hits her. Right here. And then right here. That's where she hit her.
Yeah.
And then she's bleeding on the corner
there, but that's where you would have been able to see it.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, this is exactly where she hits her.
how long's the video?
Very angry.
She had knocked over a bunch of stuff on the desk there right before that.
Yeah.
So I feel like
Can you pull that video up?
Yeah.
And let me see if I can grab it. That's the beginning.
I'm here.
I mean, that's like your own mama getting hit, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
it makes me sick. Yeah.
I would have gone after her, but I was too scared to smack me in the face as well.
I thought she was coming towards me when she saw my phone.
She definitely didn't go out the exit. No, we would have seen
Okay,
her.
that's it.
Yeah, she's definitely down that way.
So the
Check the bathrooms.
the couple screenshots. Can you grab a couple of them?
Does someone have ability to let our flight know that we're like late now?
We'll get you there.
Okay.
We're not going to hold you here. In fact, you got a card?
Yeah, she's still down there, so somebody's got to find. She is on something.
Oh, she would have hit anybody who.
Okay, so here.
Yeah.
So that's
Andrew
Andrew.Brennan, BRENNAN at
Got you.
flynashville.com.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. And go look?
Yep.
We're going to go look.
Correct.
What direction? Where? Okay. Did you just have somebody come through and knock all this off?
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
I'm nosy. I'm black. I'm trying to see.
Was it a woman?
Yes.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like.
This girl.
Thank you. Control 18, she just knocked a bunch of stuff off at Air Essentials too. I'm still trying to make.
With a suspect on the loose, officers searched the terminal for 10 minutes before finally spotting her sitting near a gate.
Stand up, please. Ma'am, stand.
But before making an arrest, officers first checked with the victims, asking if they wanted to press charges.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Do not resist, okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
When the victims declined, police moved in to arrest her on disorderly conduct charges.
Put your hands behind your back. Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay? Do not resist. Okay? Thank you. Very good. Stop.
Stop
Do
resisting.
not resist. Okay?
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
Do it now. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Stand up.
You want me to bring my car over here?
We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're going to set you in this chair, okay?
Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Well,
As officers confronted the suspect, she refused to cooperate, ignoring commands to stand up.
is this thing an officer? Hey, you want to sit up in a chair? Let's get you sit up in a chair. Come on, stand up. Okay. Okay. All right.
They had no choice but to physically restrain her, but the struggle was just beginning.
I understand that, okay? And you can relax.
Who's not relaxing?
Okay? There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your feet on the
Pedo.
ground. Okay.
Y'all want me to sit like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Calm down.
Despite multiple warnings, she continued resisting, pulling away and shouting expletives. This led officers to add a resisting arrest charge to her growing list of offenses.
Where's your wallet at, ma'am?
Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
That's in the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Magically appeared in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hear
Walk
me.
into a car. Stand up and walk. Get a chair.
Things took a turn when officers tried to escort her to a patrol car. She refused to walk and demanded to be pushed in a chair, making the process even more difficult.
Ride?
You gonna walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
Okay.
I want to ride.
Additional charge.
Hurry up.
Then she did something even worse. She spat at officers, earning another charge of assaulting a first responder. With no other choice, officers had to physically carry her to the car while she continued to resist. As a result of her actions, the woman was charged with elder abuse, assaulting a first responder, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and vandalism.
Don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damaging me.
We'll roll you over. Get you up. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay? Okay, we're going to help you sit up. We're going to put you in the car. Yeah, we're going to put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car. Turn around. Okay. But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're going to get you.
We'll get your glasses
after you get in the car.
Put them on, baby.
Nope, we're not.
When you get in the car.
We're getting in your car. We don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back. Go get them. Sit down. Put your feet on the floor. Do not resist. Sit on the floor. Do not resist.
I need my glasses. Come on, with
Sit
my
up
face.
straight. Sit up straight.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go.
This case is a reminder of how unpredictable police work can be. A simple disturbance call can quickly escalate into multiple charges and a physical confrontation. What do you think? Should the charges have been more severe? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more intense police body cam footage.